Well, this is my third flight, and I took off from a pad. I saw it there for just a brief second. I know I will be able to continue that and do a better job of showing it a flight from there. And I did what's called a zoomy or something. It's when you go away and back after you take off. It's just something you do. Just one of the guys that runs our YouTube channel, his name is Marcus. Very nice guy from Idaho quadcopters, and he does this thing every time he takes off, just back and up. It's his standard, and it's not a bad way to start. You look up and you get a good view of what's going on around you, and you see how your copter is operating. Again, I go a little too fast on those, and I'm up a little bit. You can see the shadows of the sun and shade on the ground from the clouds. Makes photography a little interesting, but personally, I think and this is all in automatic settings. You can set ISO, you can set exposure, you can set saturation, you can set it. This is normal. You can set it to bright. Now, bright is just means you have more vivid colors. I think these are pretty good myself. Um, I'm not sure. I'll have to do some flying with it set on bright to see what it looks like. But I'm getting pretty far away now, and quite honestly, I'm not sure I can even see it because the sky is very white slash gray slash light blue. Um, and I got up there a couple hundred feet and out 400 feet. So I didn't go any higher than 200 feet. And then again, is from the landing spot and takeoff spot, not from the ground, 200 feet from the ground as you fly. But so I turn around and again, I'm looking at my camera or my phone. I can see that I can bring it back in, and even if you lose sight, visual sight, briefly, you can always look at your phone and get a good idea of what your drone is doing. So anyway, fun stuff. That's the gimbal rotation I mentioned. You can change it so that you can see the horizon, or it doesn't go up above straight out. It goes 90 degrees down or straight out, but it does not go higher than that, um, which is fine. If you want to go higher than that, I guess you fly the drone higher, I guess. Drones can only go 400 feet off the ground from where you're at. That's, again, a federal thing and a state thing. So they do have regulations in place for that. And that's pretty much the end of that video.